Alright, imagine watching a 12 minutes video to learn how to remove an object from an image in Photoshop when this AI literally just does it for you under 2 seconds. This AI research is going to be so popular. It works not only on real life images but also performs miraculously on paintings, like clearing the stairs in the School of Athens or even the hallway by a bit, and you can fix the details with this AI too. Or remove all the clocks in the persistence of memory and it's not even easy to find any obvious faults. Most surprisingly, the AI works pretty well with illustrations too. I tested out on some anime scenes too, ranging from some pretty easy patches like this one, and also clearing up Sukuna's tattoos, to semi-complex ones where I removed the butterfly on her hand. If you draw the mask more cautiously and accurately, the removal would be very clean. It even preserved her fingers pretty well. For the most complex anime scenes, for example from the movie Your Name, some can generate pretty good results, but when the scene is much more sophisticated with the lightings and the backgrounds, it can barely make it. You can see that there would be dark spots or distorted fences, and I think this is definitely the limit for illustrations, which is still better than what I expected. Alright, I still haven't mentioned the name of this research. It's called LaMa, which is short for Resolution Robust Large Masking Inpainting with Fourier Convolutions. As you can tell from the paper's name, they proposed an AI architecture called Large Mask Inpainting to overcome the issue that all previous papers have, which is the lack of coverage in the perceptual field that causes inconsistency when performing image inpainting. Compared to other older research, this one is obviously a huge step up, as older ones failed to consistently generate the new details and result in these huge distorted chunks, which are the artifacts. This Fourier approach also promotes the overall structural consistency of the image, so anything in front of a clear pattern or a background can easily be inpainted when you remove the object. What's even better is that there are some people who have already made an implementation of this AI on a website, which makes testing out this AI much faster and easier. You literally just have to draw out the mask and it'll automatically perform the object removal in the background inpainting for you. A tip for you guys: when you want to remove an object, remember to also include the shades of the object. This not only makes the resulting image more consistent, but also removes the potential of messing up your result that can create some pretty annoying artifacts which you would have no idea how to get rid of. I also tested on some funny James Redmond Photoshop requests, and the results are just as good as what he was asked to do. He might need extra time to remove the requested part, but with this tool, the AI literally took under 5 seconds to perform everything after you draw off the mask, which is pretty crazy. This AI research is definitely going to be influential, and soon most of the companies will probably pick up a license for this from Samsung Research, and it will probably seamlessly integrate into your Snapchat tools, Instagram stories, or even Photoshop. This is definitely how AI taking over the world looks like. If you want to learn more about their research paper or play around with this AI yourself, the link will be down in the description. This video is brought to you by NordVPN. NordVPN provides you with safe internet browsing, workaround for region locks, and most importantly, privacy against your ISP. I personally do find it really convenient to hop around my virtual location to watch shows when I'm on vacation or successfully DDoSing me in Apex Legends. From my personal experience, NordVPN is probably one of the smoothest VPN out there. No lags or internet speed reduction whatsoever, really just a service I appreciate I have, as well as being really accessible with its cool and friendly user interface. And it works on Linux, Mac, Windows, pretty much most of the platforms too, which is amazing. If you would like to support me while also using their services, feel free to use the coupon code bycloud or go to nordvpn.com/bycloud to get a 2-year plan plus 4 additional months with a pretty nice discount. And lastly, thank you guys so much for watching. Big shout out to Andrew, Panther Modern, and many others that support me through Patreon or YouTube. If you have any questions, feel free to join my Discord and ask there too. Follow my Twitter if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.